Do you ever wonder what to do with your hard-earned money as soon as it hits your bank account? Making the right moves with your paycheck can set you up for financial success and security. In this video, we'll explore 6 essential actions you should take when you get paid. From managing debts to investing in yourself, each step is crucial for building wealth and securing your financial future. Let's dive in. Number 1, pay off your credit cards in full. Have you ever felt stuck in an ending cycle of credit card debt? It's crucial to break free from the trap of accumulating interest. Set a rule for yourself to pay off your credit card balances in full soon as you get paid. Why is this important? Carrying a balance means you're essentially borrowing money at an interest rate, which is not a game worth playing. By paying off your credit cards, you not avoid substantial interest charges, but also gain valuable insights into your spending patterns. Try to make this a regular practice in your routine, or at the least do it immediately after receiving your paycheck. Take charge of your finances, break free from debt, and pave the way for a financial future. Remember, every dollar saved from interest payments can be invested in growing your wealth. Number 2, contribute to your savings account. Do you have a safety net in place for emergencies? It's important to save money to ensure your stability. Try setting aside a portion of your income into savings. The goal is to build up funds to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. If you haven't reached that target yet, don't stress. Start small and increase your savings gradually over time. Treat saving as an expense like paying bills or buying groceries. By making saving a priority, you'll be better prepared for events like losing your job or facing costs. Having a savings cushion brings peace of mind, reduces financial pressure. Make it a routine to transfer a fixed amount into your savings account each time you get paid, and see how your financial resilience improves with each contribution. Remember, the path to wealth begins with saving money. Number 3, automated investing in an index fund. Are you interested in a hands-off method to increase your wealth? You might want to consider automated investing in an index fund. This strategy lets you benefit from the stock market's potential while requiring participation. An index fund is a kind of fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, designed to mirror the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially purchasing a collection of stocks, which helps spread out your risks and lessen the impact of stock price changes. Automating your investments enables you to take advantage of dollar cost averaging, DCA, where you invest an amount at intervals regardless of market conditions. This systematic approach helps remove emotions from investing and keeps you on track through market ups and downs. Select index funds that match your investment objectives and risk tolerance and witness your wealth grow over time through the magic of compound interest. Begin with steps, maintain consistency, and enjoy the benefits of long-term investing. Number 4, pre-tax contributions, 401k HSA. Leverage the benefits of making tax contributions to supercharge your savings and ease your tax burden. Think about maximizing your contributions to retirement and health savings accounts, like a 401k or health savings account, HSA. These accounts, found in countries such as the United States, come with tax advantages that can significantly boost your wealth accumulation. By putting some of your earnings into a 401k plan, you effectively decrease your income for the year, potentially reducing how much you owe in taxes. Furthermore, many employers match contributions, essentially giving you money to strengthen your retirement savings. Likewise, contributing to an HSA lets you save tax dollars for qualified medical expenses, creating a financial cushion for healthcare costs. Make the most of these tax accounts by allocating a portion of your salary to them. This not trims down your tax bill, also speeds up your progress towards financial freedom. Seize the chance to get ready for the future by utilizing the perks of tax contributions. By focusing on saving through these channels, you not safeguard your future, but also maximize your potential for building wealth. Take steps now to enjoy the benefits of tax savings and lay down a path for a brighter future. Number 5, invest in yourself. Have you ever thought of yourself as your investment? It's true, the greatest asset you have is yourself. Investing in your growth goes beyond improving skills or knowledge. It's about unlocking your full potential and creating numerous opportunities. Take a moment to identify areas where you can develop, whether it involves learning things, expanding your expertise, or nurturing growth. Consider enrolling in classes, participating in workshops, or seeking guidance from mentors to enhance your skills and broaden your perspectives. Also, remember the importance of investing in your mental well-being. Join a fitness center, sign up for yoga sessions, or prioritize self-care practices that promote wellness and vitality. Keep in mind that maintaining a body and mind is crucial for success in all aspects of life. Furthermore, don't hesitate to explore endeavors or start a side business. Launching a venture not diversifies sources of income, but also helps develop essential entrepreneurial skills such as problem solving and resilience. Every investment you make in yourself yields returns over time, whether through increased earning potential, enhanced job satisfaction, or greater personal fulfillment. Therefore, time, energy, and resources towards advancing on your journey of self-improvement without hesitation. Number 6. Save for big purchases and give back. Achieving stability involves more than managing expenses. It requires careful planning and giving back to the community. It's wise to set aside a portion of your earnings for purchases or future investments. Whether it's saving up for a dream trip, a vehicle, or home improvements, regular savings ensure you're financially prepared when the time comes. Prioritizing savings helps prevent the strain of debt or unexpected financial difficulties. Additionally, think about ways you can contribute to society or support causes that are meaningful to you. Once you've secured your necessities, dedicate part of your income to activities or volunteer work. Whether it's helping out organizations, supporting initiatives, or assisting those in need, giving back not enhances the lives of others, but also brings satisfaction and happiness to yourself. Embrace empathy as you observe the effects of your contributions on the world around you. Remember, saving for expenses and giving back go beyond financial transactions. They represent empowerment and compassion that reach beyond individual boundaries. By practicing behaviors and nurturing a spirit of generosity, you not only secure your own future, but also make a positive impact on the well-being of others and society at large. Managing your paycheck wisely is the cornerstone of financial success. By prioritizing debt repayment, savings, investments, and personal development, you can build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Remember, every dollar you earn has the potential to work for you, so make the most of your paycheck and pave the way towards financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy and empowered.